सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे इस YouTube चैनल को और दबाइए इस बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ताकि आपको हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियो की अपडेट्स मिलती रहें। Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Nishant Luthra, and in today's video I am going to show you my project based on science physics project, that is smart highway. Okay, so the main aim of making this project is, in India, as we all know, the electricity gets wasted due to many reasons, as the street lights get switched on in the daytimes as well as which should not be done. Okay, so to conserve the electricity from getting wasted, I have made this project. So now, without wasting time, let's get into the material that I have used. The first material is light dependent resistor, LDR, 2 pieces. LDR are the kind of resistance which change their resistivity on getting light on them. The next is 2N2222 transistors. They are NPN type of transistors that are positive negative type of transistor. They are used to be as switching the circuit. Next is LEDs. 8 pieces of LEDs are used. LEDs, we all know, light emitting diode. To make the road glow, make light on it, I have used LEDs. Next is resistance. Resistance is a simple device which is used to lower the amount of current in the circuit. Next is wires. To solder all this component with each other or to connect them, I have used wires. So without wasting any time, let's get into the project. We are here with the project. Okay, before starting the explanation of this, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please go and subscribe the channel and like this video, because I have done a lot of hard work on making this project. Okay, now as you can see, this is a smart highway. These are the LED lights which are working as street lights, and these are the sensors, you can say LDR, light dependent resistor, which will change the resistivity to glow these lights. And here are the batteries, 9-volt batteries, and inside it there is the circuit. You can see taping has been done to inherit it. Okay friends, now let's begin the explanation. I am supposing this power bank as a car. Okay, now when the car will be at the starting point of this highway, this sensor will detect it, as you can see, and the lights of this portion will be turned on like this. As you can see, the lights are turned on, and this part, the electricity has been saved from getting wasted. Okay friends, now when the car will move further and further, the lights will be switched off automatically. Then this part of our electricity has been saved. When it will move further, there is another sensor, and then it will go through this, and these light will also be turned on. Okay friends, now and so on, there will be more same circuits like this. This is just a demonstration, so I will do it fast one time, like this. Then this is switched off, and like this, and this. Okay friends, now at the time of evening, around 6 or 7, when there is a bit starting of the night, the lights will automatically be turned on. I will show you how. As you can see friends, this is my switchboard, and this is the light switch, and when I will switch it off, the lights will automatically be blown. Now when I will switch it on like this, the light will be switched off. Okay, now when I will switch it off again, the lights will be turned on, and now when I will switch it on, the lights will be turned off. So this is my project. If you like this project, please give a thumbs up to the video and share this to many people so that they can also see my project. Thanks for watching my channel and my video. I will come with more videos, like new videos and more ideas. So wait for that. Until then, bye bye.